What I try to teach in my classroom as for what environmental engineering is, there's a lot of problems when it comes to humans and nature. Sometimes humans can cause damage to nature, and sometimes nature can cause damage to humans. And our job as environmental engineers is to find those places where humans might be hurting nature or nature might be hurting humans, and reduce the ways that we hurt each other and build up the ways that we can help each other. We teach environmental engineering, but at the end of the day, what I'm really teaching is problem solving and critical thinking. And when I see the little light bulb go off and the students get really excited, or when they're just having fun with the lesson, and I think they're going to remember this forever.
We really want to provide as many opportunities as we can to engage our students in different practices that demonstrate environmental stewardship. And one of them is recycling. In a bigger perspective, we really want to reduce our consumption in all ways. We want to try to reduce how much we use so that we can reduce our carbon footprint on our planet.
Just really dynamic, hands-on lessons all about the experiential learning. We have what we call our classroom garden, which was designed to be used as an instructional space. We'll do things like plant investigations, soil investigations, learning about worms, learning about composting, and that garden is also really well set up for social emotional learning through unstructured playtime. And then where we have all of our raised bed gardens, we can do sort of more complex side of planting and planning out your garden. It's also just learning about the life cycle of plants.
The students just come with such a zest for learning. They like to work hard, they're kind to each other, they get to think creatively, and they get to collaborate, which is just at the essence of being an engineer.